Hey guys, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. Recently I repaired our Dometic RV fridge. It was getting way too warm, not keeping food cold enough, and I found out it was a thermistor that was causing the problem. So I replaced the thermistor, and it's not quite cold enough. I don't know if it's the value of the thermistor is a little different than the OEM one. I might have got like a replacement one that was a little bit off value as far as its resistance goes. So what I've done is I've ordered an adjustable, they call it therm adjuster Dometic from Dinosaur Electronics. They're a company that makes replacement boards and things for the refrigerators. So for Dometic refrigerators classified as fixed or automatic temperature only, and it's going to go in series with that thermistor and allow me to adjust the temperature a little bit colder. It's in the range 36 to 40 degrees, but I'd like to get it down more 33 to 35 degrees. Not quite freezing, but a little bit colder. So let's unpack it and see what it is, and we'll install it in the fridge.
So here's the box that arrived for use in Dometic refrigerators with black box style boards. Made in the USA. Got some instructions here. Dinosaur Electronics, Lincoln City, Oregon. Huh, never knew they were in Lincoln City. Go through there quite often. Anyway, here she is. Little box, male and female plug of the thermistor. Got some sticky double-sided tape on the back for mounting, and then the knob. That feels pretty smooth. It's probably just a little rheostat potentiometer control behind there. Probably a pretty simple device. I probably could have bought a little cheaper, but this makes a nice package and it's all gauged to the right resistance to work. So took it apart and did some measurements, and looks like it's got a 43,000 ohm control there and also a 43,000 ohm resistor. So on here it goes from 43,000 to around 86,000 ohms as far as its adjustment range goes. Okay, so just took the black cover off of the control board there. You gotta watch yourself because there's both DC and AC 120 volt power in here, so you should turn the power off. Otherwise you could shock yourself, just as a warning. Anyway, that's the connection up there that the thermistor plugged into. So I unplugged it and then plugged it into this controller, and then the controller back into the board. So it's just basically in series with the thermistor. Set her to colder and we'll see how she works. If you're wondering what this is, that's a fridge fan that I'm testing out for Titan. It's one that mounts onto the back side of the vent, draws air in, and increases the efficiency of the fridge in really hot weather. I have a video about the install if you're interested. Anyway, stay tuned. Okay, so I'll let it go 24 hours and we'll just check the temperature in the fridge. And it seems to be working out. It's right around 34 degrees on the top shelf, which is perfect. That's what I like. And then the freezer, I put a temperature probe in there, and we're sitting at minus 2.4, which is just about perfect. So seems to be working as advertised for me. Well, there you go. So far it seems to be doing the job. I picked it up on Amazon. It was somewhere around $40, which is a lot when you see what kind of components are in there. You could DIY yourself one, but like I say, it's nice to have a convenient little package. Read through some of the reviews and it seems to be hit and miss. It seems to work for some people. Other people it didn't do anything at all. Probably depends on the model of fridge and that sort of thing. This is a Dometic, I believe it's a DM2852. Anyway, till next time, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. Cheers, guys.